Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Kumar. In this video, we will explore SourceTree. Before getting into the SourceTree, we need to have a repository account. So I have created a codebase account on GitHub. So you can see that. And now we have a SourceTree here. We are going to clone this repository to our local system. And if we want to clone this, just copy it, go to SourceTree, click remote, and here you click clone from URL. So we provide that destination path. So it's looking for authentication for GitHub. So let's pass that credentials. Always allow. Okay, now we are going to click on clone. Hey, wow, great. So now we can just close this, and this is the screen when we have a repository imported. So this is a successful import of repository from remote server to your local system. In the next video, we will create a Java Maven based project. We'll do some changes and we'll learn how to commit, push, pull, fetch, merge, or different operations or various different operations that we can do from GitHub very quickly and very safely as well. Even reversing the commits, those things also we can do it very quickly. And on top of that, it also makes really safe. When developer works with SourceTree, they can easily identify what are the changes going to the server and that what need not to be go to the server. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.